royal deer meat,
Royal deer leather.
a timeless tradition.
Everyone ready? Team standing together.
Are you seeing the same humidity spike I am?
Yeah, but the deer don't seem to mind. The new feed is working wonders.
You can see on the screen the vitals are stable. This pre-screen process is crucial for early detection. Steady now. Guide the lead animal onto the platform. Ensure the ramp is secure for stage 1 loading.
The cellular regeneration rates are higher in Subject 2. Initiate the next phase of the trial. Batch 7 cleared for processing. Quality metrics verified.
Confirmed. Temperature holding steady at 4 degrees.
Grade A confirmed.
Entry to Luxury Products Hall.
the manifest ready for the next shipment?
Almost. Just finalizing the labels for crate 7.
How many more for the overnight dispatch?
We have 45 left on the confirmation screen.
The AI predicts a bottleneck in the export pipeline within the next hour. We need to reroute.
Rerouting approved. Adjusting parameters now.
Everything seems stable here. How did the vibrational?
Alignment sequence initiated. Confirmation received. Calibration secure.
Laser alignment test.
Brand logo press.
It. If you look at the projections on this tablet, the synergy between the port and the new admin wing exceeding expectations.
Look at how they integrated the tech into this handbag.
Yeah. And the sustainable leather on these wallets is a breakthrough.
Yeah.
Initiating sequence alpha. Monitor the precision alignment on the curvature. Starting diagnostic overlay now. Feed rates look stable. All systems are green across the factory floor. The automation overview confirms peak performance. Good. Let's maintain this trajectory for the next cycle.
Let's optimize the recycling flow here. Show me the turbine integration schematic.
Look at the craftsmanship on this handbag.
It's exquisite. This visualization, the detail on this new line is exceptional, especially the polished hardware.
It really sets a new standard for the global showroom collection.
Across the globe, our legacy is built on quality. Royal deer meat.
Royal deer leather.
A timeless tradition.
Everyone ready? Team standing together. Let's take the picture.